Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you guys, I'll be talking about my holiday wish list. Alright, so you guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, honestly, this is my second time recording. The first time I didn't have all my lights turned on, and I think it was because I was already feeling kind of hot and kind of like, I was feeling hot, so I was like not really thinking about putting the lights on, but that makes a big difference. So now I'm suffering with the heat, the lights, the lamps just blaring on my face, but I'm just gonna pretend nothing's happening. At least the video looks nice and crisp. The one before this, you couldn't see anything. Not that I'm really showing you guys like products in my hand because obviously it's a holiday wish list. But yeah, anyway, so this video, you guys, like I said in the beginning, it is a holiday wish list. And I did kind of like concise it. I brought it down to 5 items. Yes, you guys, there are, of course, plenty more items that I want to try out. But for this video, we're keeping it to 5 items. So the first item, you guys, I'm gonna try the KKW Beauty Glam Bible Bundle, and this goes for $150. Now, if you're wondering why I want to try this product, well, first of all, I do kind of feel like I'm like the last beauty lover, makeup lover person to try like any KKW Beauty product. Honestly, I've never tried any of her products. I heard nothing but good things about it, and the stuff she puts out, it does really grab my attention. I'm really gravitated towards it, especially because a lot of her products are, they're definitely everyday colors that you can wear. You can wear it like at night with your girlfriends, to like a dinner party. You can also wear it to work, to a business meeting. I mean, it definitely fits my lifestyle, so that's one thing. And number two, I mean, look at the packaging, you guys. It's just beautiful, and for $150, getting all of this is, in my personal opinion, definitely a good deal. So, like I said, I want this because everyday look, I can use it literally every single day. Look at the colors, look at the shades. I'm like, can I use that and go to work? Yes, I can. Can I use that, put it on my face, and still look professional? And I do work at a professional setting besides doing this. Alright, this YouTube stuff currently is just a hobby of mine, not making any money. I do hope I do make money in the future, but of course this is still just a hobby. I do have a real job behind this whole YouTube stuff, and I want to look professional, and this screams professional to me. And of course, number two, like I mentioned earlier, you can wear it at any occasion. So yeah, that's my first holiday wish list. Alright, the number 2 holiday wish list, you guys, it is the Lash Lover Ornament, going for $15. So if you know anything about mascara, then I'm sure you do, and just in case if you don't, I've learned that you want to change out your mascaras every 3 months because, I mean, hygiene, health, bacteria, you know what I mean, kind of gets gross. So roughly 3 months, you want to be switching out your mascaras. Toss out that old one, throw it in the bin, and bring out the new one. Open a nice fresh new mascara. This $15 bundle, I feel like, is a great deal, especially for any makeup lover. I'm sure a lot of us use mascaras, and I mean, you cycle through them pretty quickly. So 3 months, you guys, is not that long. So with that said, this is a great deal. This is probably what I'm definitely going to get. And you can try out different mascaras. It's like you get a bunch of little gifts for 15 bucks. I mean, come on. That's kind of like a no-brainer. You know what I'm saying? So for that reason, mascaras are a necessity, in my opinion, for any makeup look. And on top of that, you get to try it out, get new fresh one every 3 months, So yeah, this is a good deal, and for me, I think it's a great holiday wish list. I do want to try it out because, I mean, I like mascaras. Normally, I don't really wear lashes. I wear mascara, so I'm always looking for the best mascaras for my lashes. So there's that. So the next item, you guys, is this product right here. This is the Koibana Deep Pore Cleansing Oil, and this goes for $17.90. So you guys, I came across this product on the website called Yes Style. It is like an Asian based website. They sell makeup, beauty products, like clothing, a lot of like cute little knickknacks, everything you can think of. So it's an Asian website, and this product right here, it caught my attention because you guys know how much I love like oil cleansing products. I do talk about them in my other videos. If you haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. But this item, it caught my attention because, well, first of all, it has great reviews, and something about the packaging caught my attention, and more so than that was what it claimed to do. It claimed to hydrate my skin. And you're thinking, Sarah, there are plenty of products out there, even in the drugstore, where you can find products that hydrate your skin. Yes, I know that, but you know, I'm trying to venture out and try other stuff. And why hydrate my skin? If you know me, maybe it's like your first time meeting me on this channel, on this video, welcome, nice to meet you. But if you know me, you know that my skin is dry, it's dehydrated, and it just, my skin needs that moisture. It needs that moisture. If I don't take care of my skin, you guys, it's dry, it's textured, it's patchy, it's scaly, it's just everything like yucky you can think of. And this product is telling me it's gonna hydrate my skin. I'm already like, me, yes, me please, yes, hydrate, you got me right here, yes. So I want to try this out. It's from yesstyle.com. Of course, everything I talk about in this video, you guys, just letting you know, I'll be listing it down below in the description box. So if you miss anything, just check it down below. You know, lots of good information down there, so check it out. All right, so number 4, you guys, this is the Mogugu makeup brush. It is a 10-piece brush set collection, and this runs for $21.52. Now you're thinking, brushes? Really, Sarah? You want to have brushes for a holiday wish list? I mean, if you're like me, you guys, I know you're supposed to clean your brushes probably every week, every day. I have no idea, but if I'm being honest, and you know, I want to be like straight up with you guys, I have a bunch of brushes, mainly because I'm pretty lazy and I don't want to always clean and wash them every day. So I have like a bunch of brushes, and once these set of brushes are used up, time for them to get washed, I throw them in the bin, bring out the new set, throw that in the bin, bring out the other new set, etc, 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 etc. Now I have these new holiday brushes. Well, I don't have them yet, but if I did have them, then that's another set I can use, which means I can further delay my makeup brush washing session. I mean, it's just purely because of laziness. And I mean, hey, why not? These brushes caught my attention because they look adorable, they look cute. I love how it has a nice packaging that it comes in. So that means it's travel friendly, it protects the bristles, it keeps them safe, and just, you know, in one piece, if that makes sense. You know, makeup brushes, they can get pretty expensive, but for this, you're getting a case, plus they look pretty luxe if you look at the picture. I mean, granted, I haven't touched them and felt them and put them on my face, I don't know, but just kind of like looking at the brush, it looks really nice, so it caught my attention. I want to try it out. So yeah, and for this price, I think it is a really good deal. Last but not least, you guys, it is one of my favorite brands out there. This is the Kiehl's Bright Delights, and this is it's a nice collection piece for $50. Now, $50 for all this Kiehl's items. You guys, if you know anything about Kiehl's, they are definitely an expensive brand. I'm not gonna lie, they are pretty pricey. Their price is pretty hefty, but they're giving you all these items to try for $50. I mean, if you haven't tried it yet, now's the time to grab it. This is definitely one of my holiday collection wish lists, just because I know what Kiehl is like. I've tried plenty of their products. Their Midnight Recovery Serum Oil, you know, the one in the blue bottle, which I talk about in like literally every single one of my videos, that is one of my favorite. That is like my go-to. It just if you have dry, dehydrated skin, you want to try it out, honestly. From a dry skin, dehydrated girl to perhaps you who are possibly, maybe, I do not know, you might be a dry skin, dehydrated person. Try it out. The Kiehl's Midnight Recovery. Go back to my other videos where I talk about it. I know I've talked about it in like at least 3-4 videos. Check it out. I mean, even if it's not my video, I'm sure plenty of people love this product. Go check out the reviews, whatever, alright? It's a good product, and so this product right here, 50 bucks, and you're trying out all these different Kiehl's products. Is breathtaking. It is a good deal, and I love Kiehl's. So for that reason, because I know Kiehl's is an excellent brand, excellent product, I do want to try it out. And you guys, I'm not getting paid to say this. It's just from my own experience. So of course, with my own humble opinion, I do think Kiehl's is a great brand. So this is probably, out of all of it, you guys, I think this is probably my most excited brand, excited holiday wish list that I'm, you know, that I have on my list, if that makes sense. Anyway, you guys, that is it, you guys. That is all my holiday wish list. Yes, just 5 items. Of course, like I said at the beginning of this video, I do have a lot more stuff I want to try, but for now, this is just what I'm going to talk about. If you want to know more stuff, like more holiday wish list stuff that I might have, comment down below. Let me know. If you like videos like this, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, of course, if you haven't joined the Kwak fam, you want to do so by clicking that red subscribe button down below. You guys, if that red button is still red, that means you haven't subscribed. So do so by clicking that red button, make it a gray button, and then click on that notification bell, because I do upload at least twice a week, if not more. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Alright, you can follow me on my social media. All that stuff will be linked down below, and that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.